Hi friends, this is Anupma Jain and I am going to present one quiz about technology integration in academics. Here we are going to go through 20 questions which will assess a teacher how much knowledge she is having or he is having, right? So starting from the very first question, during an online lesson, Mrs. Verma uses interactive quizzes after every topic. Students receive immediate feedback and can revisit concepts they answer incorrectly. What is the primary purpose of using interactive quizzes in this scenario? So first option is to replace classroom teaching completely. Second is to provide formative assessment and feedback. Next is to reduce teacher involvement, and the next one is to increase homework load. So its correct answer is B. This is to provide formative assessment and feedback. Now come to the next question, that is a teacher uploads recorded lectures, notes and practice exercises on an LMS. Students can access these resources anytime. Which benefit of technology integration is best reflected here? Increased flexibility in learning, elimination of assessments, reduced student responsibility, limited access to resources. So here is the correct answer is option A. That is increased flexibility in learning. Now the third question is a teacher notices varying learning levels among students and want to provide customized practice activities. Which technology solution would best support differentiated instruction? First option is an LMS with different assignment for different groups, adaptive learning software with personalized pathways, a plagiarism detection tool that checks assignment originality, a presentation tool used to display lesson content. And the correct answer is option B, adaptive learning software with personalized pathway. Now come to the next question. Student uses a simulation to explore how changes in temperature affect chemical reaction. How is the simulation effective? Here the options are: it promotes active exploration of the concepts, it replaces practice learning permanently, it removes the need for observation, it limits experimentation. So here the correct answer is A, it promotes active exploration of concepts. Now the next question is, a teacher attends an online webinar to learn about integrating AI tools into lesson planning. What is the primary purpose of this activity? Student assessment, teacher professional development, classroom discipline, school administration. Just a second. Its answer is B option, that is teacher professional or development. Now come to the question number 6, that is an LMS automatically provide easier or more challenging activity based on students' performance. This feature is known as virtual reality, learning analytics, adaptive learning or digital citizenship. So its correct answer is adaptive learning. Now the next question is for the matchup type, that is match the technology with its primary purpose. Here are the options where we have mentioned PQR, that is Google Docs, VR headset, Kahoot, and the primary uses are also mentioned here: virtual tool, real-time collaboration, interactive quiz, and the options are mentioned over here. So as per analyzing this table, we can give the answer as, that is D, this one. P2 Q1 R1 means, P2 means Google Docs is a real-time collaboration, Q1 is VR headset virtual tool, Kahoot means interactive quiz itself. So this is the correct answer. Now come to question number 8, that is a teacher uses an LMS to assign activities, track progress and provide feedback. The LMS primarily support dash learning and dash monitoring, and here the options are collaborative performance, blended students progress, traditional classroom, independent attendance. So here the correct answer is blended and student progress, that is option number B. Correct. Now come to the next question, that is question number 9. This is somehow based on assertion and reasoning. There are two statements are given, one is as assertion and the next one is the reasoning one. Teacher should select digital tool based on learning objectives. This is our assertion. Now reasoning is popular tools are always effective for learning. So here are the options: And as per me, the answer is C. A is true and R is false. Now come to the question number 10. Again, it's a assertion and reasoning based question. Here we have given the assertion as game based learning can increase student engagement. Here we have given the reason as features such as point, badges and leadership can motivate students to participate actively. So here are the option, and as per me the correct option is both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Now come to the next question, that is choose the correct option. Again, it is an assertion and reasoning based question. A teacher should evaluate an educational game before using it in the classroom. Not all educational games support curriculum or age appropriate learning. It is the reason here. Now from the given options, I am just saying the correct answer is both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A, that is option number A. Now coming to the 12th question. In a science game, students answer questions to earn badges. However, the teacher notices that students focus more on collecting badges than understanding concepts. What should the teacher do to improve learning? And here are the options: add more badges, increase the number of questions, include reflection task after each level, remove all rewards. And as per the correct answer, the option is C, include reflection task after each level. Now come to the question number 13. A teacher designs a digital escape room. To unlock the final door, students must solve problems, analyze clues and collaborate with teammates. Which 21st century skill is most strongly promoted? Memorization, collaboration and problem solving, copying information or notes taking? And the correct answer is option number B, that is collaboration and problem solving. Now come to question number 14. This is an unscramble type question. Here we have already given the clue. A teacher uses this technology to provide immersive virtual experiences, and here is the word which we need to unscramble. And here are some options given, and according to this my correct option is B. Now come to the question number 15. A teacher wants students to co-author a report in real time. Which tool is represented by the scramble term below? See, we have given the unscramble option clue here as well, and options too. But in general, if we thought about, we are talking about a report. Generally, we are using a report in terms of Word, or you can say a Word document. And for Google, because these options are given for Google, so the correct answer should be option number A, that is Google Docs. Now coming to the next one. Here we have given a dashboard showing fractions 42% mastery, decimal 85% mastery, percentages 88% mastery. Based on the dashboard, which instructional design is most appropriate? Options are begin a new unit immediately, provide targeted support on fractions, reassess decimals, reduce assessment frequency. And the correct option is provided a targeted support on fractions, that is option number B. Now come to the 17th question number. An LMS discussion board where only 3 out of 30 students have posted responses. What is the best interpretation of this data? Students have mastered the topic. Student participation may need additional support or incentive. The LMS is not functioning, or the lesson objective have been achieved. And the correct answer should be option number B, student participation may need additional support or incentive. Only then they will post responses. After then, 18th question number. A leaderboard showing the same few students consistently at the top. What concern should the teacher consider? Competition may not motivate all learners equally. Game should have more points. Learning outcomes have been achieved, or leadership board should replace assessment. And the correct answer is option number A, competition may not motivate all learners equally. Now come to question number 19. This is image based question, and here we need to answer on the basis of this particular image. See, we have given traditional assessment versus digital assessment. Now here, if we talk about these two, we can see in traditional system teaching we were giving teaching, and after then we are giving end of the test, or you can say exam type questions, and after then teacher evaluated. But in digital assessment it is somehow different. Teaching with digital tools, ongoing quizzes are there which we can use, and instant feedbacks are coming, so timely adjustment, improved learning are approaching. So which advantage of digital assessment is highlighted? So the correct option is immediate instructional adjustment based on feedback. That is option number D. Right, now coming to the next one. This is again an assertion and reasoning based question. Here assertion is given as competitive game elements always improve learning outcomes for all students. The reason is some students may feel anxious and discouraged by excessive competition. So what is true or what is false? Here A is false and R is true. So option number D is the correct answer. I hope you have enjoyed this particular questionnaire. I'm just giving its link also in my YouTube video. Thank you.